In this Krisspy review, I'm going to be showing you a software in which you could be making this application by giving prompts. So the designs are made by this app and it will basically create by just giving it some prompts. So I'm going to show you a complete tutorial. So this is the dashboard. I'm going to be going into the dashboard sooner or later. But before that, let me show you the AppSumo, what it has to say. So it has integrations with Figma, which is absolutely great. It's best for freelancers, product managers, and small businesses. So that's all good. And the cool thing is that you could be creating application that looks like really good. So this is like one of the application that has been made by this software. So the designs and all, they look pretty good. So you could be making similar application designs very easily. So you can do that. You can transform your product ideas into live high fidelity interfaces in minutes. You can let the AI challenge your specs, refine your vision, and all of that. And the cool thing is that you can modify any design element. So that's great. You can add features or make adjustments with AI. You can collect stakeholder feedback and comments. So you can see the interface. It looks really good. I'm not an expert in making these designs, giving it prompt, but I will show you what I can do. And you can work with existing designs. You can bring over Figma asset into Krisspy. So this is like the feature that everyone would want. So this is actually great. So you don't have to just depend on Krisspy for the all the designs. You can also use Figma, and you can import it to your interface kits to kickstart your designs. And you can export the prototype for Figma and download a full React code base. Again guys, it doesn't happen like that because full React code base is not ready as of now, but it is coming very soon. It's going to come very soon, but for now you could only like download it to your web application, which is the desktop. I'm going to show. So this, you can export screens as Figma. So that's you can do. This is going to come very soon. So let's wait for now. And also you can automatically generate all of your documentations, and you can include all your connected designs, and you can sync basically everything. So that's all great. And now let's talk about the pricing. So a lot of controversies have been happening on the pricing. Some people are finding it difficult for the credit system as well. So for the license tier 1, you get only like 500. The license tier 2, you get like 1000. License 3 tier 3, you get 2000. And license tier 4, you get like 3600. So earlier it used to only have like 3 license tier, and people were complaining because every credits that they get per month was not enough. So Krisspy has made sure that they added one more license tier, which is the 4th one, and they added up to 3600, so people could get as much credit as they want. But the problem is that it is little pricey, $900. It's a little pricey. And if you look at the license tier 3, it's for 480 for 2000. I think for most people, for most agency, I think the license tier 3 would go. But the license tier 4, it's actually quite expensive. But if you are in a position, if you could buy like 3600 credits, I'm going to show you how much these credits are worth in a second. If you go to the Q&As, you can see a lot of people's complaints and a lot of people's reviews and all of that. But the cool thing is that these people, most of the reviews are pretty good. So people that are finding complaint are the people that don't really get enough credits. So credit issues is why people really complain. But overall, people are having a very good experience with the app. And let's talk about the credit. And credit for roughly making a review, roughly making a one screen design it would take anywhere around 150 credits to 200. 200 is on the high end, but on average people take about 150 credits to make one screen. But it really depends on your application. If it's like 10 screens, it's going to cost up to 150 credits per month. So if your application is up to 150, it's going to be like 1500 credits per month if you end up making 5 credits. But most application, I don't think you need like 10. Maybe like 5 would be enough. So it's around 750. So that's not like a lot, but it really depends on what your goals are, and you can based on that go with the licensed tier. Now let's go to the dashboard of Krisspy. So this is how the dashboard looks like. It's pretty neat and clean. It doesn't it's not really messed up. So let's start with our project. Disclaimer guys, I'm not really good at it, so but still let's have a look what I can do. So this is the premium version. I'm going to go with this one. Name of the workspace. So I'm actually really addicted to social media, which is why I'm going to give it dopamine detox. Okay, now let's start. So I have to describe what I have to create, and I'm going to go with the mobile application. Disclaimer guys, I don't think you can actually download the mobile application for now. They are bringing in that feature very soon. I'm going to go with high fidelity. These are some of the themes that I could select. It looks really good. I'm going to go with the black one. I'm selecting this one. So my product name is Dopamine Detox. I'm going to tell them limit screen time. Let's a bit use of the AI as well. So AI actually helps you to make the prompt also. So that was something great I would have, because I'm not good at making prompts. So let's go and generate the screen. So this is the first screen, and I think roughly it cost about only like 10 credits to make one screen. And if you want to edit it, it will cost you an extra 5 credits. So if you do like 5 edits, it's going to be like 25 credits. So that's how it works. And let me just show you. So it takes a little bit time to make the screen as well. So let's wait. Okay, so they have made the graph. So it says it's a default category. I can edit if I want. So it's like a timer that I could do my dopamine fasting. So 30 minutes I could be locking my phone. So that's how it works. And I can edit if I want. So I'm going to say make it a little bit more stylish. So let's generate. Okay, so it looks a little bit different now. If you want to change the green color, you could do it. You can just type in the component, and you can change the style, you can loop, you can do conditional, you can classless, you can do a lot of things actually. But I'm going to just keep it like this, because I just want to show you how things work. And if you want to add more screens, you could do that as well. You can generate a new screen, and I'm going to type in make. So let's do some AI enhance as well. Okay, now let's generate screen. So as you can see, they have created like a really nice dashboard that I could be using. So honestly guys, this is not the best out there. Let me show you another app. So this is an application that is shown in the Krisspy page. You could be making like really good designs like this. You have to like put in some time in order to make something like this, but you could be making this. So this looks like really, really, really good. Now let's go back. So this is what you could be doing, and if you want to like change the colors specifically, let me just type it. And if you can edit it with AI, and you can say make it red color. It would actually change to red. I'm going to edit that component. Okay, my text is okay. See, it has become red. So whatever you want, you could be changing it. You can change anything you want. Whatever you want, you can change it. You can go ahead and change even the codes. You can be seeing them. You can see the feedback and all of that. Let me just show you. You can also play like a prototype. You can open prototype. So it just shows you how your app would look at desktop, tablet, and even in the mobile phone. So this is how it looks. Now, if you want to look at the tablet version, if you want to look at the desktop version, this is all how it looks. And if you want to go to the next screen, so my second screen actually looks really good. I think it's really nice. You can do a bunch of editing, so you can see social media, productivity, entertainment, and others. So that's something you could do as well. Now let's just go back. So that's how the opening prototype works. And then you have export. As I've mentioned, the full React code base exporting will come really soon. The developers has been telling about that. You might get in a month or two. It's coming very soon. For now, you can export your screens to Figma designs, which is also great. And the next one is feedback. You can ask feedback to AI. You can convert in high fidelity as well. See, some of these apps are like really nice. You could be creating all of this, and you can create the new screens as well. Also, you can select, you can move it as well with the cursor. So those are some of the features. You could have a look at it. I think overall Krisspy is a good app, except for the pricing. The pricing is actually very high, but also you get a refund of 60-day money back guarantee. So if you want to like go and check it out, you can go and check it out. It has good reviews. The bad reviews come from people who are finding it hard to afford the credit system, because the credits get completed very fast. But overall, as an app, I think it's fantastic, and it gives you all the features to make a fantastic app designs. So if you look at it that way, it's actually good. So that's basically it for this video of Krisspy. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the first link in the description, in which you get a 10% discount if you are a new AppSumo user. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.